How to sign in Shein account on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily sign into your Shein account. So first thing, simply open up your Shein application. It's available for free on Play Store. You can simply download it from there for free. So once you're inside here, just click on this top icon over here, that is sign in or register, or you can also tap on this me button over here and just click on this sign in option at the top, and you will be provided with three different options. One with the email or phone number, or you can also continue with your existing Facebook account or your Google account. So let me just select email. So once I select my email, just click on continue from over here, and after that it will ask me to provide a password for me. So I will be checking this if I want. So if you don't want, you can leave it as well. So simply tap on register and click on continue, and make sure to agree to the privacy terms and conditions. And from over here you can skip it as well, or you can just add a phone number. For now I will just skip it, and you have just like that successfully registered and created your account on Shein application. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.